Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Satullah Al-Fikri.
My name is Bagus Satrio.
My name is Dedi Pamansaputra. We are from
Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. Today we will present our project called StethoShare.
My name is Nabil Nabar Setiawan from Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto.
My name is Mardiana Salsabila from Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto.
Auscultation is a basic skill in medical diagnosis which is very important for assessing the condition of the heart and lungs. This process is generally performed using a tool known as a stethoscope, which has been a primary instrument in clinical practice for many years. However, traditional stethoscopes have some disadvantages such as 1. Restrict voice access to only one user at a time, thus creating challenges in medical education and clinical collaboration, where the need for real-time collaborative listening is crucial. 2. It depends on the individual's hearing ability and is susceptible to environmental disturbances, which can reduce the clarity of auscultation sounds. 3. Alternating use of earpieces potentially cause hygiene problems and increase the risk of infection transmission. Therefore, to overcome these various limitations, this study developed a low-cost speaker-based digital stethoscope allows multiple users to listen to heart sounds simultaneously without the need for earpieces. This innovation is expected to improve the quality of learning, support more collaborative diagnosis, and this tool has advantages, including 1. Real-time speaker output for collaborative auscultation. Allows multiple users to listen to heart sounds simultaneously through external speakers, transforming traditional individual auscultation into a collaborative clinical and learning experience. 2. Low cost and accessible for resource-limited environments. Designed using affordable components, more advanced auscultation technology is accessible to clinics, medical educational institutions, and resource-limited areas worldwide. 3. Contactless design to improve infection control. Eliminates the need for shared earpieces, reducing the risk of cross-contamination and supporting safer clinical practice, especially in pandemic situations and high-risk environments. The front of the tool consists of 1. Volume settings, used to adjust how much bass sound comes out of the subwoofer. 2. Frequency setting, used to limit the sound coming out to only low notes, bass. 3. Stethoscope output, used to monitor heart rate and stethoscope installation. The back of the tool, only holes for air to escape from the box and input cable routes. Bottom of the tool. 1. Speakers, used as sound output from a stethoscope. 2 legs as supports. There are 4 pieces used as tool supports. 1. Plug the cable into the wall socket. 2. Adjust volume and frequency. 3. Use a stethoscope on the patient. This is a tool that is already on the market. Too expensive. And this is our tool. With its low production cost and simple design, StethoShare has strong potential for mass adoption in both clinical and educational sectors. This innovation has been published in an international journal, demonstrating its scientific validity and technical feasibility. The intellectual property of this system is currently under protection to support future development and commercialization.